Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make any armor in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we're right now in a cave where we have mined some ores and materials. First things first, we need to create a workbench. To create a workbench, you can just simply tap on your inventory. As you can see, workbench right here, which you can create with any trees and any stone. Once you craft it, place it anywhere you would like. Oh, hello. Sorry. Once you have got done with any distractions, all you have to do is to simply now open your workbench. And then from here, you're going to create another bench, which is going to be right here called the armor's workbench, which will need 2 copper ingots, any tree logs, and any stones. You can get the copper ingots by mining any ores in the cave and then burning it in the furnace by placing whatever ore you have right here and then putting whatever you to light on fire. Once that is done, then now you can simply place your armor's workbench. Once you place your armor's workbench and create it, open it right here, and as you can see, now you can create any type of armor, from the head to the chest to the hands to the legs and to the shield. And to create any of them, all you have to do is to just choose whatever you want and integrate with it for the iron. Make sure that you have light leather, which is going to be gotten from killing any animals or any small species, and then linen scraps, which is done the same way. So you will need to kill some enemies. And once that is done, now you can create it, and that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.